Last topic of this chapter, that is utility chapter, is your consumer equilibrium in case of ordinal utility approach. Consumer equilibrium in case of ordinal utility approach. Now, in this case, consumer will be in equilibrium when consumer has a maximum satisfaction with his limited income. It's written consumer equilibrium is a situation in which consumer has maximum satisfaction with his limited income. Now, for the consumer to be in equilibrium, two conditions need to be satisfied. For the consumer to be in equilibrium, two conditions must be satisfied. First condition is that marginal rate of substitution, that is MRS, of commodity X and commodity Y must be equal to the price of X upon price of Y. First condition is this, that marginal rate of substitution of XY must be equal to price of X upon price of Y. Second condition is marginal rate of substitution should continuously false, or you can say that indifference curve must be convex to the origin, which we have already discussed in properties of indifference curve. So indifference curve must be convex, and second case is MRS XY must be equal to PX upon PY. If both the conditions will be satisfied, the consumers will be equilibrium. Now we can see with the help of a diagram. Now you can see straight line is made, that is budget line. First we will make a straight line, that is a budget line. A to B, that is what? That is a budget line. Three indifference curve are there, that is indifference map you can say. High indifference curve represent higher level of satisfaction with the higher income. Now, point E is your equilibrium point. Why it is equilibrium? Because both the conditions are satisfied at this point. MRS XY must be equal to PX upon PY, and it must be convex to the origin. Now, why consumer is not at equilibrium on point H? Why he is not at equilibrium? Because it is out of his budget line. He is not at equilibrium at point H because it is out of his budget. It is not in his budget. So he will be at equilibrium at point E only. Why he is not at equilibrium at point G and F? Because it is at lower indifference curve. It is not giving him maximum satisfaction. He has a budget to buy, but it will not give him maximum satisfaction. So maximum satisfaction he will get at point E because both the conditions are following there, that is MRS XY PX upon PY, and indifference curve must be convex to the origin. In this case you can see that X is more than Y. In this case Y is more than X, but in this case both are equal. MRS XY must be equal to PX upon PY. He will not consume at H, F and G because H is out of his budget and G and F is in lower indifference. So E will be the equilibrium point because both the conditions are satisfied. Understood?